You guys have been hearing me talk about this all week. I've been talking about this, monolaurin. So what is monolaurin and why am I so obsessed with this? And why do I think we need to talk about this basically every single day? So monolaurin is lauric acid. What's lauric acid? Well, it's a medium chain fatty acid and it's found in some different locations, actually 3 to be specific. One is coconut oil, the second is kernel palm oil, and the third is human breast milk. I am still breastfeeding, but I'm not going to share any of my lauric acid with you, so don't worry. Right, what's the big deal? Well, there's been some research being done for the last couple decades showing that lauric acid, aka monolaurin, has the ability to disrupt a lot of different viruses, including bacterial infections, yeast infections, a lot of things, like a lot of heebie-jeebies that we just don't even want to deal with. Monolaurin is used in a lot of our products that we already consume daily. It's used in a lot of our cosmetics as a preservative. It's used on fruits and vegetables to keep them from going bad or bacteria growing on them. So it's used in a lot of organic ways throughout our lives already. So back to herpes and why we want to talk about this and why this is important for us as people living with herpes. Well, the herpes virus is an enveloped virus. What that means is it has a fatty lipid or a fatty, I like to say, kind of a shell around the virus. And what happens is that shell prevents our immune system from being able to penetrate it and do what it needs to do. So if our immune system can't penetrate a virus, then the virus is going to replicate. The virus is going to be in control of what it's doing in our body. What lauric acid, aka monolaurin, has the ability to do, it has the ability to disrupt that outer layer, that outer shell. And when it disrupts it, it allows our immune system to go in and penetrate the virus and fight it, right? So that's really, really huge. When our immune system can go in and fight it, it can help keep the virus from replicating and even keep it suppressed. In other words, it's going to speed up the recovery of our herpes outbreaks. And if we're not just talking about herpes outbreaks, as we know, we get herpes outbreaks when our immune system is compromised, it's shot, it's been burning the candle from both ends, it's just been working on overdrive, and that tends to be, at least I know for myself, when I get herpes outbreaks. Well, other viruses can come in as they do throughout the day, right? We pick up viruses all day long. Well, if our body is focusing on other viruses, then it gives the herpes virus the opportunity to pop up and be like, hey, I'm here. Remember me? Did you forget about me? I'm going to cause an outbreak right now because you're busy over here. So that's why it's really important to keep our immune systems boosted. That's why I like to use monolaurin. And right now we have the extra strength monolaurin on special. So regular is typically 600 milligrams and this is 800 milligrams. So basically you get more monolaurin in less swallows. All right, I have it linked for you. Go check it out. It's 15% off. You do not want to miss this opportunity. Go check it out. I cannot wait for you to try it and let me know what you think.